there's a land of smiles in Asia. My friends there went recently. Kez, Viv, welcome back. Before you tell me about your trip, how do Thai people usually introduce themselves?
Well, that's actually such a good question. In Thai, when we greet each other, we say Sawadee ka for girls. But if it's for boys, we say Sawadee krub.
And when they introduce themselves, they would say Chanchu. Like for example, if I will introduce myself to you, I would say Chanchu Vivian ka.
And I would say Chanchu Kez ka. To introduce you, you would say Chanchu Deni ka.
Chanchu Deni. Yeah! So, tell me everything. How's Thailand like?
Well, Thailand is often referred to as the land of smiles. People there are so respectful, actually.
Yes, and Thailand has a population of 70 million. Imagine, they are all ethnics. And Thai people would really appreciate you if you would try saying their Thai languages.
So like, for example, if you say Sawadee ka or Khun ka, which means thank you, they would smile warmly at us.
That's nice. Do they speak English too?
In big cities like Bangkok, yes. But in smaller towns, they would prefer you talking in Thai, so at least practice it.
Pararachatan is what they usually call what men wears in Thailand. Their traditional clothing. And women, they wear chuttai.
In normal days, they would wear clothes just like us. T-shirts, jeans. But most importantly, they should like cover their shoulders and knees.
I see. What about their food? Did you try it everything?
Oh, that's a good question. I actually have a list on what our favorites are. First one was pad thai, which is stir-fried noodles, and tom yum goong, spicy shrimp soup, green curry, mango sticky rice, which is for dessert.
And oh, don't forget about their street foods, just like grilled meat, papaya salad, and yuck!
Fried insects? Why would you eat them?
Another important part is their beliefs. Most Thais are Theravada Buddhists, and their values of kindness and respect really show in everyday life.
We noticed that there are three main beliefs. For Buddhist teaching, ideas of karma and mindfulness influence how we speak and act. Another one is for the spirit and shrines. Outside homes and businesses, these are small spirits houses with offering of food, flowers, and drinks. Another one is for the respect for their elders, where they would not show their feet or
That's fascinating. Did you see any festivals?
Yes, actually, we were there at the Songkran Festival. Actually, it was quite cool because they were all throwing water at each other. It was like a water fight. But, of course, water has a symbolism. It meant cleaning and cleansing.
And they also have Loy Krathong Festival, where they would release floating lanterns in the river to release their negativity.
I'm curious, how do gender, age, and social status affect how they communicate with each other?
Women are expected to speak polite, respectful, and soft. For men, they are actually very direct.
Also, religion plays a big role. Most Thailanders are Buddhists, so they mostly avoid aggressive speech. So you should talk to them in a calm manner. When you speak too loudly, they will consider it rude.
For age, young people must respect their elders. For example, they call older men P, and for women, they would say Nangsap.
And social status matters as well, like teachers, monks, and higher authorities. Like for example, a monk, right? You would bow to a monk.
That's different from here. Did you make any mistakes?
Once, I accidentally pointed my feet toward the Buddha statue. A local reminded me to never do that again. That's a sign of disrespect.
Go. Actually, I made a list on the important things you shouldn't do. Number 1, never touch someone's head. It's considered the most sacred part of the body. Number 2, don't point your feet at people, especially at religious objects. Number 3, dress modestly and speak softly and tempest.
Wow, you two learned so much. Thailand seems like a nice country.
Yes, and we'd love to go back someday. The people, the food, and the traditions. It was very beautiful.
And that's practically all our experience in Thailand.